Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a haul video. I've been to Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I take that back. I went to Hobby Lobby, but I did not buy anything. Um, Dollar Tree, a few things online. Anyways, let's get right in. So first off, Dollar Tree. So as you see, they finally got the double-sided tape in. Took forever to get to my store, and I did not hesitate on getting a lot of them. And then they got these cute little baskets in, and they are adorable, nice plastic, and I thought they were just super cute. And so I am going to use those in my craft room to store items. Yeah, these are super cute though. And then I went to Michael's. I did end up getting those storage carts. I got two of those. I wanted some more. Went back out there and they were gone. And we had like 15 or 20 left, but they were gone. But I did pick up these here, which weren't marked at the discount price, but I scanned them and got them for $5. So that was a great deal. Then I also picked up a couple of those. These were $1. I got the last two. I picked up two of these. I got one for a friend, and then this one's mine. I also picked up this here, which are the clear envelopes, 20 pieces, $2 there. And then I also got these Sizzix adhesives, $2 there. And then I also picked up these inks here. I thought these were amazing. I thought I had 8 of them, but I only have 6. But anyways, I got VersaFine Clear, the Nocturne, Warm Breeze. This one's Tulip Red, Paradise, Morning Mist, and Twilight. And I picked up these because I knew they were a pigment ink and I wanted to see how they would emboss. So brought them home, stamped them out, took out my heat embossing gun, and it went out. I was just like, are you kidding me? Right after I thought, I'm not buying no more, and I gotta buy a new heat embossing gun. Go figure. I also picked up some of the envelopes that they had on sale. And this is what they had in the inside with the envelopes. So I can pop those in the inside of a card or scrap piece of paper. And so I just keep this on the side of my desk there. And then online hauls. Here we go. Went over to Jaded Blossom. I actually seen, oh, I forgot her name. Anyways, Veronica from VL Bell and One, as well as, oh, I forgot her name. She does the Christmas tags and cards and things every year. Anyway, she had a discount code for Jaded Blossom, which was Jillian, and we had till the 31st of January to use it, and that gave an extra 15% off, I want to say. So these were already cheap, and I picked up this here, as well as this here, this, and this. And then Paper Tray Ink, finally, and I thought they discontinued this tag die. They finally got it back in, and I said I wasn't hesitating because I think they were out for like, seems like almost a year. But I jumped on that, and it's such a nice size die. I bought from Pretty Pink Posh. I got one from Pretty Pink Posh, but definitely not as big as this one. I am so excited about that. Told you all I love tags. May not use them, but as much as I love them, but I love them. And then I also picked up this from Paper Tray Ink as well. And then I seen Whimsy Stamps do a video on this. This drip die. Oh, the video was amazing, the way this lady did this video. Matter of fact, I might link it down below or put it in the cards up top there. But oh, I love the video and how she used this. So went over there to pick this up, and then some of the samples or inspirational cards that they did had this oops die on there. And I thought that is just adorable. So I picked that up as well as this honeycomb. And I know I just got another honeycombs from Sybil, but I love this one because of how small it was. So I picked that up as well. And yeah, so I think that is it as far as my hauling. Hopefully I will stop, calm down, because I've spent quite a bit in the last month. So, and I don't want to get on that spending spree again. So hopefully I can jump back on this saving bandwagon and not purchase anymore. I'm on a few design teams, so those products will come in and hopefully I won't purchase anything. Well, that is all I have for you. Hopefully you all are getting in on some of these deals. Oh, and I heard that Michaels will not be doing dies on this clearance. So, and that's what I love the most. So I probably won't be going out there again. Not that I need any more dies anyways, but yeah. So that's all I have for you. You all stay safe out there. Have a blessed and crafty day.